This poor elephant was stuck in this deep hole, but what the humans did next will shock you. This elephant was deep in a well, struggling desperately trying to get out. It was panicked and afraid, and the team needed to act fast so the elephant wouldn't drown. So how did the humans help? The team first used a generator to pump all the water out of the hole. The process took all night, and the team stayed close to the elephant's side. After the whole night, they could finally see the elephant's head. They safely sedated the elephant and quickly wrapped it so they could pull him out of the well. It was a tough process, and the team didn't know if it would work. After an hour of pulling, the elephant was finally out of the hole. They carefully woke the elephant, and it was happy once more. If you like elephants, hit that subscribe button.